Hi friends, in the last session we have observed that checking membership of a module and comparison of strings, right? So these two concepts we covered as part of in the last session. Okay, what is checking membership of module means we can checking membership modules by using in and not in. Okay, we observed with respect to characters and with respect to strings. Normally I'm placing and I'm reading the strings and we have observed that. And next comparison of strings. Okay, how we can comparison of strings means by using these operators less than or equal to greater than or equal to and equality operators. Okay, so how can we say two strings are less than? So if the first character from the first string and the second character from the first string, so in that way it is going to consider. Okay, so in the last session I have shown that examples also, right? So it is going to consider in this way ordinal position of A. Okay, ordinal position of A. In this way it is going to consider not. Okay, not ordinal position of A, right? So and here comparison will be performed based on alphabetical order. Comparison will be performed based on alphabetical order, right? So we can use comparison operators for less than or equal to greater than or equal to and equality operators for strings, and comparison will be performed based on alphabetical orders. Okay, comparison will be performed based on alphabetical order, right? So now next we are going to discuss about finding length of the string. 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 Length of the string. So finding length of the string. Normally we can find the length of the string by using inbuilt function, that is length function. Okay, suppose observe here I have a string. Okay, s is equal to I'm taking Sai Kumar Chari. Okay, I'm taking Sai Kumar Chari. I'm taking Sai Kumar Chari. Now I want the length of the string. Okay, now I want the length of the string. L is equal to length of, this is the inbuilt function. Length is the inbuilt function and we are passing parameter as a s. So now it is going to get the, now it is going to get the length of this string, and the return type of this L is a int type. Okay, clear, right? Length function. Length function. Length function. See, length function is going to, length function is going to return the length of the string. Okay, length function is going to return the length of the string, and the next one will be, it is going to the return type of the return. Okay, the return type of length function, return type of length function is a int type. Okay, return type of length function is a int type. Okay, now observe, first thing is I'm printing length of the string. Okay, I'm printing length of the string. Length of the string. printing length of the string. Next, what I am doing, type of type type of L. Okay, type of L. Clear, right? So now observe, I'm taking a string and finding the length. I'm taking a string and finding the length. So first it is going to print the length of the string, and next it is going to print the type. I mean, what is the return type of L? Observe carefully. So length of the string is 13 characters. Okay, total 13 characters, and the return type of L is a int type. Okay, result is of a int type. Observe whether it is having really 13 characters or not. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, so this the total 13 characters, right? So this is we are getting the output. Finding first way. Let me keep the output also. Next, next second way. Second way of second way of finding second way of finding length. Second way of finding length. Second way of finding length. Observe carefully. I'm taking string. Okay, I'm taking one variable I equal to 1. Okay, I'm taking I equal to 1. So we know that for loop. Okay, we know that for loop. To process some action, every element present in some sequence, then we should go for loop. Okay, to process some action for every element present in the sequence, right? So now what I am doing here is for s in sorry, s s1 in s. Okay, for s1 in s. So when every character is coming, we have to increment the value of I. Okay, we have to increment the value of I. So by using inbuilt function length we are finding, so this way also we can find the length of a string. So what I'm doing here, I'm taking the first character. Okay, first character is coming, so when first character is coming, I value incrementing. So for every time it is going to increment the value of 1. So to do that, we have to start the value of 0, not 1. Okay, we have to start the value from 0, not from 1. Okay, now observe length of the string. Okay, length of the string. Length of the string. Length of the string is what? I. Okay, after completing total, this is the result. Okay, so don't think that what is the return type of I means. I already we are declaring it is 0, so 0 is of int type. Okay, now observe the output for this. So length of the string is 13 characters. Okay, length of the string is nothing but how many characters? 13 characters, right? Clear, right? So we can find the length of the string by using two ways. One is by using inbuilt function, and second one is by using logical. We can find the length. We can find the length by using two ways. We can find the length by using inbuilt inbuilt function of length, inbuilt function of length, and the second is we can find the length by using we can find length by using length by using what? We can find the length by using logical logical looping statement. Clear, right? So by using this way we can find the length of a string, right? So this is the thing I'm going to explain as part of this session. Okay, in the next session I'm going to explain how to remove spaces from the string. Okay, if the spaces are from the left side, right side, or in the middle, so I'm going to explain that concept in the next session. Okay, if you are watching for the channel for the first time, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you friends, thanks for watching.